Just to start with, I think we had a nice session just before this, the technology session, because a lot of debate happened on that. I mean, if you see that, this session, the future technology, I don't think we will be able to cover in this, the 90 minutes or whatever it's there, because there's a vast subject. I think we will only do justice to some part of it, bits of it, maybe 1/10 or 1/100th of it, and that's what I think. Another thing is, when looking at the technology, as someone mentioned, what is important is time to market is very important. And second is affordable, especially in a country like ours, it has to be affordable technology. And the third one is it should be a future-proof, because whatever investment you're going to make it has to be protected in the future. There are many issues. I mean, we have already heard about a lot of issues with respect to the power sector scenario today, and right from the generation till the distribution. And we only just had a last session on the last mile connectivity in the distribution side. But if you look at the generation side, today we have a challenge even with the generation as well. We don't have so much challenges with respect to transmission, but in terms of distribution, I think there's an enormous challenge which we are trying to address in this the forum. And though these the topics under the future technologies, we are trying to cover some part of a high voltage, some part of a millivoltage. I think we are not doing the justice for everything in this. But just to take you back into the technology side, since I have been in ABB for quite a long time, I would say that on the generation side, the technology per se is pretty matured. And the transmission, there are mature technology, but with the addition of the wide area monitoring, probably that is going to add on to the technology part of it. But on the distribution side, we have been discussing for the last 20 years, 25 years, that still the technology is in the stage to be finalized. And as mentioned in the previous session, it varies from place to place where you are going to implement this technology. We have a challenge with respect to the time, because we are standing between your lunch. But nevertheless, we are going to have some session for the expert panelists here. And I've tried to see whether we can cover each presentation by around 6 to 8 minutes. And then follow with the panel discussions. I think probably that will be much more lively discussion just before the lunch. Yeah. So this is what we are. Yeah, I know. Yeah. So we have just discussed, because Terry has to leave, so he will start with the first presentation. Terry will take I think he can also discuss about more, because which we're going to cover in the next panel discussion as well. Thank you.